beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Color Me Sunshine. Today we are doing an awesome review of Smooshy Mushies. So Smooshy Mushies are like a type of brand of squishy. I've been hearing a lot about them and I really wanted to get some.
So I got a few.
I got different ones, different kinds, small, a little bigger. So let's see what we got here. All right, the first one we're going to open up is this teeny one. Apparently it's the world's smallest Smooshy Mushy. It looks like it's in a little baby bottle. I got my scissors. Put that away from my hair. They nearly make these things like adult proof. So that went that way. I'll be right back. Maybe it's like a baby bottle actually, because it's like a baby toy. Oh, not a cat toy. Sorry, not for you guys. So this is the little thing. Let's open this. Okay, it is, oh, it's the little deer guy. It's like torn up kind of and dirty. That's disappointing. It's like really dirty looking and gross, but it's cute. It's so tiny. Okay, comes with this weird little keychain thing. I don't know what that is. Maybe you guys know Smooshy Mushies better than me. I'm brand new to this, so.
We're gonna be learning together today.
And a sticker. So this is Felina Fawn. So it's like a little keychain. Squishy keychain. It's not very slow rising. That's kind of disappointing. All right, so we'll set this over here. Baby bottle pop. Do you guys remember those? Baby bottle pops. Baby bottle pop. Baby bottle pop. This one, it is the cupcake version. I know there's like, oh, this is series 4. So let's figure out how to open this one. Kitty, stop getting into things. Why is everything so hard to get into? I can't open it. Oh, it even shows it. Look, isn't that cute? So this looks like a sippy cup. Guys, are these for babies? Am I buying baby toys? I'm gonna say this is not for babies because a baby couldn't open this. Oh, it has a weird smell. Okay, here's another mini version with the little keychain thing in there. Oh, it's a mystery. Surprise. Let's see what this is first. What is this? Look how cute. Is that a cat or a zebra? So we got another cute little sticker. This is the thing that says what things are.
So descriptive.
Tilly the tiger. Oh, and Petunia Puff. So that must be the little surprise. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at this tail. Isn't that adorable? Oh, Tilly Tiger, Petunia Puff.
So cute.
I got this thing. I couldn't resist. It's a Smooshy diary and it's the bunny character. So it's really squishy too. And I was like, I could use a really squishy notebook. Don't try this at home, kids. Ah! There's more plastic. Oh my gosh, okay. First I'm gonna show you the cool little pen. It's got multiple different characters on it. Then we have the notebook. Look how cute, and it's squishy. I can do this all day. This is so distracting, but so perfect. It's a squishy on a notebook. This is amazing. And it has cute pink pages. Look at that. On the back has Smooshy Mushy, kind of green. It's so squishy. There's cute little stickers and then the instructions.
There are endless number of designs and stories that you can tell in your Smooshy diary.
Well, I'm not gonna use it like a diary. I've actually never been a diary person. I was always given those, but I never wanted to write out my thoughts. I thought that was weird. Am I the only one? I am in love with this thing. Next thing, we we have an ice cream. This is series 3. So let's get into this one and see what's in it. Ooh, even easier. This must be a little bestie character. Oh, it's the frog! I wanted the frog! Oh my gosh, I saw the frog and he was adorable. Look at that. He's got a little ice cream cone on his head. Oh, and it has a little sticker. All of these kind of have the same smell, like a weird chocolate smell. And he has a little ice cream face cake.
So cute.
What is this? It's a mini cone. I'm guessing this has the little, has the little keychains in it. This is Faye Froggy and Wendy Wafer. Oh my gosh, it's actually a wafer. That's even more cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one, get it out of the way because I really wanna hold it and squish it. So we have the bunny, which I still don't know its name. I know I've seen it online, but it left my brain. So we're going to look at this one that I got to match it. It's so adorable. Now I've seen this actually come in like a tub thing, but it did not come in a tub because I got this on Amazon, not in an actual store because
Who's gonna find this in a store? This is adorable.
it's very squishy. It has a little bunny tail. It's so cute. Look at his little feet. Oh, I'm not replacing you, kitty. Don't worry. I will love you. Here, come here. Come on. You have to look away. Hey, baby. You don't feel replaced, do you? I could never replace you, baby. All right. Okay, anyway. So yeah, giant bunny. Oh wait, is it Blitz? Blitz or Bitsy? I think it's Bitsy Bunny.
My brain works.
Oh my gosh, Bitsy Bunny. We're going with that. Does it actually say on the tag? It doesn't even say on the tag. How silly. Okay, but now I have this very soft and squishy Bitsy Bunny. I don't know what accent that was, but
So cute.
we have the bento box. Series 1. How is this series 1? I thought this was more recent. I don't know. But this is the bentos box. You can see the character already. It's like a little pizza with a raccoon or something. But let's go ahead and open it. All right, and here is a little page. This is Gabby Gooey Raccoon and Pepperoni Pizza and Rhino Raspberry Macaron. That's a mouthful. It looks like pizza. It's so cute. Oh, it's so squishy. And it smells the same as the other ones. Oh look, it's like bathing in pizza cheesy sauce. It even has a little slice on its head. Then there's a little pizza slice. Little pizza squishy. That is so cute. And the macaron. Oh, it even has whipped cream and a strawberry. How adorable is that? It's a little sticker that says, I love pizza. I do love pizza. And then we have another little baby bottle thing with the keychains. And it looks like you can open it just like a bento box. But it's kind of disappointing because there's like extra holes. And all you get is this. That's really disappointing. I mean, I can put all the other ones in here for sure. What's the point? This is just extra plastic. What in the world? I'm not okay with that. You can definitely not use this as a real bento box. If you don't know what a bento box is, it's like a lunch box. You just get these characters in this giant plastic. And I don't know, it fits kind of cute in there. Those are all my little smushy mushies that I was able to get. I love them so much. Please comment down below if you love smushy mushies. I'd love to know if you do. And if you'd like a shout out on my next video, follow the instructions down in the description below. I will see you guys next Friday, and next you can watch this video. Wow. Bye.
I got smooshy mushies.
You wanna smell? You wanna smell him? He smells funny, doesn't he? He smells funny. Look, he's got a little cookie. You want a little mini ice cream cone?